Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is GM Skywatcher. Just watching my skies. Watching this synthetic geo-engineered snowstorm. This is geo-engineering at its best. Or at its worst. Yes, it does look beautiful, and I love the snow. But I love it when it's organic. Not man-made. Supposedly we're supposed to get about 4 to 6 inches, not too bad. It's about 12:30 right now. Supposed to go until about, well, I've heard a few different times, but possibly till 6 p.m. or 10 p.m. I'm sure there's some activity going on in the skies above. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your weekend. Embrace your family. I love humanity.